Are you a person who struggles with tough stains on your clothes? Don't worry, the Lloyd's Novante IoT enabled washing machine removes 120 type of stains on your cloth. And this machine is not only about cleaning stains, it is super smart. This washing machine is IoT enabled washing machine. You can control the device from anywhere on your phone. The first smart feature is Wash Genie. The Wash Genie feature suggests a perfect wash program based upon your fabrics. A big help for elders or anyone in the family who is not sure which settings to be chosen. This Novante washing machine even works with your voice command with the help of Alexa or Google Assistant. Just say the word and the machine will do the rest. And the best part, with the laundry tracker, you can see in real time which cycle is running and how much time is left to complete the program. By this, you can plan your day accordingly. Plus, there is a unique feature, Wash Program Library, which lets you download new wash modes whenever it is released from the Lloyd, even after the purchase of the machine. And by the OTA updates, the machine can also be upgraded the washing library as well as the performance. Now let's talk about the power and efficiency. This machine comes with Intelli Inverter Motor, which makes washing super smooth. This motor runs with low noise, saves your energy up to 30% and delivers a better performance. For your reference, I have placed a glass of water while the machine is running, and the vibration from the machine is so minimal. And also the noise from the machine is almost zero. And when it comes to washing quality, Novante uses 8 HI wave technology. By this, the machine has 8 different motions based upon your fabrics for an effective wash on your clothes. The combination along with 5D Ultra Wash ensures the cloth to have a deeper clean. The dual flow lint filter, which is larger than the other machines in the competition. This lint filter traps your lint. By this, the lint won't be sticking to your clothes. The double jet spray saves your water, but still it provides a perfect cleaning for your clothes. And the Hexa drum with its unique side textures improves your scrubbing for a better result. And the dual pulsator gives you extra scrubbing power for tough stains. This machine has an inbuilt heater. It uses hot and steam water for a hygienic wash. The combination of hot and steam option is rare even in the front load machines. And this feature is what makes possible to remove your 120 types of stains even it is 4 days old. And if you are in a hurry, the Insta Wash feature reduces your wash time by 50% without compromising on your wash quality, which is fast and powerful. This machine also takes care itself with 12 eye sense technology, and the main unique part, it senses your water pressure and works even when your pressure is near zero. And if you have a weak water supply, and the ultimate solution for you is the Novante. It has motor protection sensing, so if you run your machines multiple times in a day and the motor heats up, this feature automatically protects the motor from the damage, which keeps the motor safe and long lasting. And every 50 washes, it reminds you with a tub cleaning alert to keep the drum clean and extend its life. Finally, the control panel is simple, user-friendly and easy for anyone in the home to use. This Novante is available in 8 kg, 8.5 kg and 9.5 kgs. You can choose based upon your requirement. To support after sales, Lloyd is providing 12 years warranty on the motor and 3 years comprehensive warranty for the product. For the festival, Lloyd is offering 4 years warranty on the comprehensive part. To sum it up, Lloyd Novante IoT washing machine cleans 120 different type of stains and has some smart features with Intelli Inverter Motor. And to improve your washing quality, it has a combination of 8 HI wave technology with 5D Ultra Wash, and for stubborn dirts, it has an inbuilt heater with a combination of steamer plus heater. So whether it's a daily laundry or a tough stains, the Lloyd's Novante IoT enabled top load washing machine makes your washing smarter, faster and more powerful. By combining all these features makes this machine a perfect choice for your home.